Hi friends, in this video we can see about some of the gate questions related to PID controller. Okay, see the first question. We need to match the given transfer function to the what type of controller. Okay, actually first one is nothing but a PID controller. How we saying is nothing but a here what K1s, which is nothing but a function which is multiplied by the just a constant value, which is actually KDS is the what? KDS is the derivative part. So proportional, there will be proportional part and a derivative part. So this will be what? PD controller. Okay. Next we want to see about the K1s squared plus K2s plus K3 by K4s. Here we can from this equation as we saw in itself, we may assume that this is the PID controller. All the terms, proportional is there, integral is there, and the derivative also is there. So this is the PID controller. So then we can see the C part, which is K1s plus K2 by K3s. Okay, actually for integral for what, it will be divided by s. Okay, that which is divided by s, so 1 by s. So here this is nothing but what, this is the PI controller. Okay, so next one is the K1s by K2s, both s's cancel, then this will be what, simply proportional controller. Okay, we can see the next question. A system has transfer function g of s is equal to 1 minus s by 1 plus s. It is a what, non-minimum phase system. We need to know the one concept, that is when both the poles and zeros are left off side of s plane, means this is a minimum phase system. Both the poles and zeros on the left half of the s plane means this is the minimum phase system. Okay, for considering this, if pole is here and zero is there, this is the minimum phase system. Okay, actually when one pole on the right side and then one on the left, one pole on the right side and one on the left, like this way, if there is a pole zero concept, means this is the non-minimum phase system. So the given transfer function g of s 1 minus s by 1 plus s is a non-minimum phase system. Okay, the next question is that match the following. They are asking the functions of a controller. Okay, in PD controller, what rise time will be decreasing. Okay, increasing in damping ratio, damping coefficient, decrease in bandwidth. Okay, PI controller transient response becomes poorer. Okay, increasing type of system, steady state response increases. Okay, lag magnitude plot of a system is given below. Okay, they just asking the what is this controller. Okay, they given some one lag magnitude concept and they're asking the what type of controller. We need to know the one important concept. Okay, which is what is the PPID controller. It's a plot. Actually for proportional controller it will be like this. Okay, for proportional controller it will be like this, and then for integral it will be like somewhat like this over. Okay, and then for derivative it will be what, increasing and then standard. Okay, in the question they given this only. Okay, this part only, this is nothing but a combinations of all three controller. Okay, which is proportional, integral and then derivative. Proportional, integral and then derivative. Okay, so this control is nothing but a proportional integral controller, PID controller. Okay, okay, thank you. We can see in the next video. Thank you.